Hello guys, welcome to another video from Block 3 Review. In today's video, we're going to be evaluating a new and not new, but very interesting Web3 product, which is called a Ledger Nano S Plus. Yeah. So in our previous video, we looked at a very exciting one, a very interesting one from SafePal X1. And of course, in today's video, we're going to compare this two interesting products, see which one offer more value for money, and also compare the functionalities available, the security, and basically just compare the two products. And before we start, this review will be in two parts. The first part will be the unboxing and setup, while the other part will be about using the hardware wallet itself. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So when you visit our Ledger store, so you can start with that. You can order your Ledger Nano from the Ledger store. Just click the link here. The link is also in the description, so you can go to Ledger and then shop. So you can order any of the available wallets. Just in order to use the hardware wallet, and it offers a lot of functionalities. You can see some even have Bluetooth functionality, and several other things that you can do basically. So what I have here is the Ledger Nano S Plus without Bluetooth functionality. So this will require you to connect the Ledger directly to your PC in order to send crypto, send coins and tokens and NFTs and several other things with your wallet. So once you do that, you want to just add it to cart and do all the necessary stuff. Then once you get the package, this is what you get out of the from the manufacturer, this box here. So what I did is the Ledger Nano S Plus. You can see it clearly written on the box. And once you have this, the next thing you want to do is open it up and see what we have right in the box. And once we're done with that, we want to download the Ledger app, which is basically the software part of the wallet that allows us to interact with the wallet itself. So without wasting much of our time, let me just start with the nylon. So you want to get this off first. So this is what we have. So clearly written, we secure over 4 million. Just basic information about the product. Of course, Ledger has been in the game for quite a long time. Outside Ledger, we have other players in the field like SafePal. We have Trezor wallet, and we have some new and very interesting hardware wallet also launching. Some have launched, some are in development, and of course we're going to review some of these interesting wallets in coming weeks. So let's see what we have. So this is what we have from the box. This here and this basic paper here. So we can see it comes with EL5 Plus, that's like a security standard for hardware wallets. Of course, we have newer wallet that comes with more security, more more advanced certification. EAL5 6 Plus. We have products like SafePal and some other Tandem and some other wallets that offers this kind of stuff. So let's open this and let's see what we have. So right from the box, we have this. Similar to the SafePal, we have something like this. Secrets where you can basically put your security recovery phrase. Let's see what we have there. It's just like a sheet of paper where you can write down your seed phrase. You can see it there. Alright. Put your seed phrase there. So we have 3, just in case you want to keep it in several locations. And aside that, I think that's all. So aside that too, we also have this, the box itself, and of course the ledger itself. So we can see this is what we have. Resiliency by design. I think that's quite true based on review, online review. So we have this, and of course it also comes with a manual. So we also have a manual here. We can see that here. We have the manual. So this basically shows us how you don't need anything beside the ledger, and yourself. Get started guide, use care regulatory statement, and yeah, of course, like the brand logo sticker, something like that. So yeah, I think that's it for that. And of course, you can always once you get yours, you can run through the get started guide, read through in like several languages here. We have English, we have Denmark, we have French. We have a lot of language, so you can always run through and go through it. And of course, they also have a customer care line that you can always reach out to access this guide. Yeah, so I think that's that. So moving forward, Ledger Nano S Plus is, like I said, it's an hardware. It's a hardware wallet. Sorry, that allows you to send crypto assets, interact with apps. Basically secure your funds, secure your community fund if you have a community, or if you have like you're an investor, you have huge number of tokens that you want to secure. You can trust the software wallet. This is like a way to make sure that your seed phrase, your private key is secure, and of course, gives you the level of control you need. Your keys, your wallet. Your keys, your assets. This is the ledger. We have just basically two buttons here. They come for control, and we have a type C port here where we can just connect a USB cord to our PC, and I'm going to show us how we will do that. Yeah, so I want to like connect this to my PC, and so once I connect this, the next thing is for me to connect my ledger to the USB port here. So to do that, you can see. So once you connect it, you can from there we can now access the ledger itself. So we have a very simple interface here that says, "Welcome to Ledger Nano S Plus. Press the right button to continue." So we're going to follow through with this, and before we do that too, we're also going to download the application. So for you to download the application, all you need to do is go to the website ledger.com, and then you see the download app button there. So click download app. If you're using Mac, you can download for Mac. For Windows, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download for Windows, and for Linux users, you can just download it for depending on the application you use. So I have it already installed here, so I'm not going to show that. Okay, so I just checked through the what we got out of the box. So I noticed we still have this there, right at the bottom there. So it came with a USB cord actually. So you can just connect your ledger using the USB cord here. And of course, we also have this like a kind of should I say key holder or something where you can just hook. You can just hook it this. Yeah. So I think that's pretty much everything we have out of the box.
Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. This is the unboxing. Like I said, in our coming video we're going to look at the setup and use of this particular wallet. So stay tuned, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and get notified when we release the other part of the video. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.